Welcome back to Allen Films, everybody. Today we're working on the Honda again. Today we're going to be putting in a new Apple Carplay Head unit. I've been wanting to do this for quite a few months now. The interior itself is fantastic. I like it, but it's also a little plain. There's not too much going on. And like I said in the last episode, I really want to make this interior something special, along with the cosmetics. So that's what we're going to be doing. So we got Jaden with us today. He jumped on the opportunity to work on this Honda because he misses his. Because he sold it like a little. Yeah, so we got Jaden in there tearing panels off right now. I'm really hoping we can get this head unit in pretty quick so we can kind of move on to a few other things. There's a few other videos that I want to film today. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So this is the CarPlay unit that we have. I think it's gonna work pretty decently. I've seen a lot of the advertisements for it. They were like, oh, you know, get this $400 one. Oh, get this $50 one. And this is, you know, right around the middle, pretty budget friendly. But yeah, the screen is huge. Look at that. The thing is massive. So other than the screen being huge, which I don't mind that much, the only other thing is the actual dash kit, the actual plastic piece is off-colored. It's not the same color as the trim that I have in there now. So that poses a little bit of an issue, but honestly this may just be a temporary radio until I find something better or cooler or whatever. So we're just going to install it today, get it done, and move on to the next few things. Alright, so we got the kind of the mock-up. Jaden wanted to go crazy on the climate control, so we're letting him do that. This is the mock-up of what it's gonna look like. And from just straight on, I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm a little worried about the panels matching, but like I said, whatever. But yeah, this thing is huge, man. This thing is huge.
Those are pretty big, alright.
So in order to get off the climate control caps right there, we got to pop them off with the little orange carrot tool. I'm gonna let Jaden do it because he's not letting me work on my own damn car.
You in the car, man. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. What you trying to do, man?
Man, you don't gotta get so cool.
That runs you a Chick-fil-A, bro?
Man, I'll take some Chick-fil-A.
Oh, good thing I ain't buying it.
What?
We got Freddy's, bro. That sounds delicious.
Dude, Freddy's might.
Oh.
Freddy's might be the move. I'm not. Can you pop that?
What?
Why are you popping the hood?
I
pop the trunk, man. Thank you. Can you do it? Can you do it again? Put it full trunk. Yeah, never mind. Shoot, it's not worth my time. It is a bright day, but yeah. So we're getting the tools. Oh, getting the tools. Getting tools.
okay, you know what, man? Freddy's ain't working.
Freddy's ain't working?
Nope.
What a shame. Wings? Hell yeah, I want wings. Wings will hit.
22 boneless wings for $20.
Dude, where are you getting that at?
Just wings.
Oh yeah. Wings work.
22 boneless wings. Yeah. I've been for about 10. I've been doing for about 10 weeks, which means I'll give you 12 wings.
I'm okay with that.
You're a big boy.
I'm a little bit of a big boy. Indeed.
Now we do have to agree on something.
What do we have to agree on?
The flavor.
What flavor of wings do you want, man?
I'm in the mood. I like spicy wings.
I like spicy wings too.
That's what I'm saying. What's in it?
What flavor though?
Got Santa Fe, mango habanero, spicy pineapple teriyaki, honey and sriracha. That's a medium spice.
honey chipotle medium spice. Buffalo.
Let me get over there. Let me look at these.
You gotta
man.
choose. Okay, you can pick your own.
Man, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. No sauce. Downright naked. That's how I like Jaden.
Like, kind of in a mood to try something. The mango habanero.
Dude, try it.
Okay.
Why not? We're out here trying new things. Putting Apple Carplay units in. We're working on the Hondas, you know. Damn.
Extra drinks and fries. I'm adding extra fries.
Extra fries, extra drinks.
What do you want? Sprite, Coke, Diet Coke, Coke Zero, unsweetened tea, Dr. Pepper.
Ooh, Dr. Pepper.
That's what
Sprite. Dr. Pepper, you know it. Man, relax. This dude's crazy. Alright, so we're gonna be putting in the new head unit. We had some wings, feeling good. It's going in there. It's going in the big hole in the dash. And we kind of messed with it with the power on a little bit earlier. And it's good, but it's not great. It's not like the best sound I've ever heard. So we're gonna get an amp to kind of mitigate that static noise and a little bit of other, quality issues. But overall, I think this is going to be just a good addition to the car until I A, get an amp, or B, get a new kind of head unit set up. But I think this will be cool to have, just an overall aesthetic kind of thing. And then obviously, and then in the next few videos, we're going to have some more prominent modifications like wheels, tires, coilovers, suspension components, other things like that. So let's get this in. Alright, so that is the installation for the CarPlay. The resolution is a little iffy. A lot of it's just kind of, what you expect from buying a cheaper head unit. However, I think it looks pretty sweet. Like Jaden said, it'll be something that'll hold us over until we figure out a higher quality one to go with and or something better. But truthfully, for now, I think that works. But shout out to Jaden for helping me install it. Shout out everyone who watched, and as always, we'll see you next time.
This goddamn screwdriver's too long. You're one of them stubby jones.
Oh no.